This Yoga Alliance Certified 200-hour yoga teacher training consists of 2 parts. Part 1 is an in-person immersion where you will get to experience things that you cannot really do on your own. Things like practice teaching yoga, getting in the moment feedback, incorporating it in right away so that you can hone your skills as a masterful yoga teacher. Things like hands-on assists, correct alignment, technique, what feels good, seeing and running energy. And then lastly, community and connection, connecting with like-minded people, people that you will become friends for the rest of your life, and experiencing a tremendous personal growth that has the power to change the trajectory of your life. And part 2 of this teacher training is self-study content. We have 8 modules focused on yoga anatomy, yoga philosophy, teaching methodology, more practice teaching yoga, experiencing the practice in your own body, and continue evolving as a really brilliant yoga teacher.